Today we are looking at fractions as division or changing an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. And if you're at least a fifth grader, you're sitting there going, wait a minute, we've kind of done this? And the answer is you have. You changed improper fractions to mixed fractions at least a year ago. It's one of those standards that they rehashed it, renamed it, called it something new, and now you get it again. Be glad, it's a review. All right, we're answering the questions. How is a fraction like a division problem, and how do I change an improper fraction to a mixed one? Well, let's look at it like a word problem. Katie's 15-year-old brother ate 6/8 of one small pizza and 1/2 of another. How many pizzas did he eat altogether, and will anyone in the house get to eat any? Well, the obvious answer for that is, duh, she has a 15-year-old brother. Nobody's getting pizza. But let's try to prove it mathematically. All right, so here are our two pizzas already cut into eighths, and he ate 6/8 of one of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dusted. Okay, now 1/2 of something divided into eighths. What's half of 8? Well, 4. So that means he ate 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks like half to me, so we're good. Yes, he ate more than one pizza. Did I mention he's 15? All right, so we ate 6/8 of this one, and he ate 1/2 of this one. And because he ate both, we're going to add. All right, eighths, halves, can't do it. But I already know that if I count by twos, I will get to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's right, we're going to go with eighths. This is 4, do it to the bottom, got to do it to the top, and 1/2 is the same as 4/8, which you probably already knew. So now we're ready to add. We're going to take 6/8, and we're going to add that to 4/8. We're ready to add now. 6 plus 4 is 10, and we leave the denominator the same, of course. And I have an improper fraction, which isn't shocking because we already knew he ate more than one pizza. So if I wanted to know how many pizzas in normal numbers this kid just dusted, well, I need to do something because no one says, oh my God, he ate 10/8 of a pizza. It sounds a little crazy. So let's see what it is in a mixed fraction. So I'm going to take my numerator because I have 10 parts out of 8 available for 1. I'm going to divide it by the 8 available for 1. 8 will go into 10 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, I'm going to get 2. So he ate one whole pizza, but 2 pieces were left over. And we're going to write that as a fraction, which you should have seen before. It's a way of doing division. And then we have 1 and 2/8. So he ate one whole pizza and 2/8 of a second pizza. Oh, by the way, 2/8 can be simplified. If they're both even, you know you can divide them at least by 2. 2 doesn't divide by anything but 2, so I know that that's the number I need. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Let me get there. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our final simplified answer for the first part of the question is he ate a total of 1 1/4 pizzas. Now, will anybody else in the house get any? Well, yep, we can do that real quick. Let me erase some of this and switch colors so you can see what I'm doing. All right, we had 2 pizzas. Teenager the Wonder Pig ate 1 1/4 of them. Obviously, we can't take 1/4 out of nothing, so we're going to turn this into 1. That second one that's now floating around becomes 4/4. 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So the answer is the rest of the family has 3/4 of a pizza to split. Hey, that's more than some teenagers would have left you. Okay, so the next couple of examples are in your notebook, and let's just practice the arithmetic of it. Okay, if I have 7/3 and I want to know what the mixed fraction for that would be, I would do it as a division problem. I would take the 7 pieces that we have out of the 3 available for each whole. Okay, so something is divided into thirds, and we have 7 of them. So 3 I could put into 7 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, that's my remainder because 1's less than 3 and I'm out of digits. So we'll write the remainder as a fraction. So we have 2 whole ones and 1/3 of a third one. That really is all there is to it. Okay, let's try one more. 6/5. All right, there's something or some things divided into fifths. I happen to have 6 of them. So what do I really have? Well, I've got 6 pieces and 5 are available for each whole. 5 goes into 6 once. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, you get 1. 1 is my remainder. So 1's my whole number, and I'll write my remainder as a fraction. I have 1 whole and 1/5 of a second one. Okay, like I said, it's review. That shouldn't be hard for you. We answered the questions, how is a fraction like a division problem? When you have an improper fraction, that means you have more than one of something. If you want to know how many whole somethings you have, well, it's a division problem. How do I change an improper fraction to a mixed one? Take my numerator, divide it by my denominator, make sure I write my remainder as a fraction. Done. All right, you all have an awesome, awesome afternoon. I will see you in the morning.